right, here we are. Finally got our chicken coop. Seems to be packaged nice and sound. So ready to unbox this thing and put it together. Here are all of the pieces out of the box. It looks like everything that's supposed to be included is included. So I will get this put together. It says about 60-minute assembly time, so we will see truly how long it takes. So I will mention that everything is super well organized. Every single piece of the coop is numbered, and every single piece of hardware is lettered. So I know on this piece 16, it calls for the J screws or bolts, and I've got them right here, so you cannot get mixed up. And here we are. It took exactly an hour and a half. I put this together with the help of my 6-year-old son. So with 2 adults, I think the 45-minute to an hour timeline is just about right. I'm super duper happy with this. I would say the difficulty level of the build is maybe a 4 out of 10, but now I get to show you inside. A couple of perches in there for your chicks. Everything locks up tight. Here is where you can clean their bedding. It's going to be super easy to clean. This just locks up, I think maybe for when you move it so it doesn't bobble around on you, but it's got a nice little ramp, plenty of space to roam around. This is the handle that you use when you're going to move it. So it lifts right up. Super easy to lift, super easy to move. I just moved it right away from where I was building it. Nice little ridge cap for your roof. I really like the texture of this. It's going to do a nice job at waterproofing. And here is your easy access egg box with a divider. They even thought to put these here on either side to hold this open while you gather your harvest. So I would definitely recommend this to anybody that just wants to start getting into chickens. I love the look of it. Super easy to build. I'm gonna go out and get myself some chicks and get this rolling.